Hello students, today's topic is how to find 4-figure and 6-figure grid reference on topographical map. So first of all, what is grid reference? Grid is a set of lines used to find the exact location of places on a map. The grid lines intersecting each other at the right angle. So these grid lines always shown in the red color. It's a lines of vertical lines and the horizontal lines. The vertical lines and the horizontal lines. The vertical lines are which lines? Which runs from north to south. That lines are called the easting line. Which lines runs from north to south? That is called the easting line. Why these lines called the easting lines? Because the number are increasing towards the eastern side. So this side is a east, here is west, north and south. So number are increasing towards the east side. That's why it's called the easting. Like this, 01, 02, 03 and 04, so on. Same in this side. The which lines runs from east to west, that is called the northing lines. These lines are called northing lines. Why these lines called the northing lines? Because the number are increasing towards the northern side, like 21, 22, 23. Now how to find the 4-figure grid reference of any object with the help of these grid lines? Here is a one temple and we have to find out the 4-figure grid reference of this temple. So first we will take easting. When we are finding the 4-figure or 6-figure grid reference, we will take first the eastings. So this temple lies between 02 and 03. So we will take 02. Always we will take one less number. So if easting is 02. Now see the northings. It lies between, the temple lies between 22 and 23 northing. So we will take one less number or down number, that is 22. And the answer is 20, 02, 22. This is a 4-figure grid reference of this temple. Now let's find out the 4-figure grid reference on topo sheet. Here the question is, give 4-figure grid reference of village Antoli. This is a village Antoli and we have to find out the 4-figure grid reference of this settlement. So as you can see, first we will see the easting. These lines are called the eastings and the Antoli village lies between 95 and 96 easting. So we will take 95, one number less. And now see the northing of this village. This village lies between, of the northing is 76 and 77. So we will take one less number or down number, that is 76, and we will write here 76. So this is a 4-figure grid reference of village Antoli. Now the next question is, find out the 6-figure grid reference of triangulated height 268. So this is the object triangulated height 268. Triangulated height sign is lies between 94 and 95, but the numbers are written between the 95 and 96. And we will see only the object place. We will not see the numbers. So the object is lies between easting 94 and 95. So we will take first one less number, that is 94, and leave one space. Then see the northing. So this is lies between the northing 83 and 84. We will take one down number, that is 83. Right here 83 and leave one space. Keep the scale properly on the grid line of easting. Okay. like this. You can see that the 0 is properly aligned on this grid line, and start counting from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. So it's lying on a 19. We will take 19 and divide the 19 with 2. Answer is 9.5. We will take 9 and write here 9. Now see the northings. Keep the scale properly on the northing line like this. 0 should be aligned on this line. And start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it lies on a 8 number. We will take 8. Divide the 8 with 2. Answer is 4, and we will write here 4. So this is a 6-figure grid reference of triangulated height 268. The next is give the 6-figure grid reference of promenade survey tree 271. First of all, we will find the 4-figure grid reference of this. So it lies between 16 and 17 easting. So we will take one less number, that is 16. Write the 16. Leave one space. Then see the northings. It lies between 13 and 14. So we will take one down number, that is 13. Write the 13 and leave one space. Take scale for the 6-figure grid reference. Keep the scale properly on the line. It should be aligned properly. And start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So you can see it lies between 14 and 15. We can take 14 also, or we can take the 15 also. So if we will take 14, divide with 2, its answer is 7. If we will take 15, divide with 2, it will come 7.5. So answer will be same. So we will take 14 and write here 7. Now see the northings. Take scale. Keep the scale properly on the northing line and start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So we will take 12. Divide the 12 with 2. Answer is 6. And we will write here 6. So this is a 6-figure grid reference of promenade survey tree. Hope you like this video.
Thanks for watching this video.